Welcome back, friends. Let's look into some more complicated problems of the algebra. So now the new question will be if it is like this: x divided by 5 plus 5 equal to 10. So now in earlier cases, if you might have seen, we were given the questions like this: 2x plus 5 equal to 10. So this 2 was in multiplication with x. Now this term is, I'll rather change it with the 2 so that they can look pretty similar to each other, although they're not, because this one is in division, but terms I want to keep them as the same terms. So now x divided by 2 plus 5 equal to 10. Now how can I how can I solve for x? So again, in my previous videos you might have seen that I've been using two words: solving and simplifying. Usually the word simplify is used when we are just simplifying an equation, when there is no equality sign given to you. You're given the equation like x squared plus 5 and x plus 5, you just wanted to multiply. This is when you get the final answer for this one, that's called the simplification. And when you wanted to solve for x, means you wanted to find the value of x and you're solving the equation, there is an equality sign. So solve word will be used when there is an equality sign. So in this question there is an equality sign, so that's why now I'll be using the word solve. So x divided by 2 plus 5 equal to 10. Again, this is an addition or subtraction with the x, so I will throw this 5 on the other side. X divided by 2, and then plus this will plus 5 equal to 10. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna minus 5, and I'm gonna minus 5 from here, and then these two cancels out, and then that's gonna give me 10 minus 5 will give me 5, and x divided by 2, and then x equal to, now this is in division with x, so what I'm gonna do, I will multiply this equation with 2 here. This I should, so times 2 here, and that's gonna give me this 2 will cancel with this 2, x value will come out to be 5 times 2 is equal to 10. That's my final answer. Now let's look into another kind of a problem. So if you are given 2x's means if there's x 2x plus 10 equal to 5x, or rather than writing 5, I'll use some other term. So I'll use the constant as 6x. So if this is the question, now I wanted to solve for x. So in this question there is a 2x here, and then there is 6x on this side. So first step I have to do in this kind of a question is to collect the like terms. So I will collect the like terms, means this is 2x, this is 6x. So I can either bring this on this side, I can bring this on the right hand side, 2x on the right hand side also. So both will lead to the correct same answer. And then I will do, I'm going to take this on the other side. So what I have to do, if this is 2x plus 10 equal to 6x, I have to subtract 2x from both sides. If I subtract this, if I subtract 2x plus, and then because the sign which is in front is counted as the sign with that term, so this plus sign belongs to this negative sign belongs to this terms. So now this minus 2x, and then this 2 will cancel out. 6x minus 2x will give me 4x, and then this value will be equal to 10. So divide both sides by 4. So if I divide this by 4, divide this by 4, and this 4 cancels out, and then this will give you x equal to 2.5. That will be my answer. So now let's take one more problem on this. Let's go to the next slide. Somehow I've not been able to move to another slide. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop here because of some technical error. I have to stop here, and I'll see you in another video. So see you.